I'm your presenter, front and center, Scott Rogowski. By definition, what type of singing is usually done without any
acapella? This is so easy.
Piano recital, acapella, or string quartet.
Acapella. Which of these is the name of an actual room in the White House? China room, balloon room, or yoga room? The China room. China. Q5. What is the name for a word that came directly into English from another language? Theft word, gift word, or loan word? It comes untranslated from another language. It is a loan word.
Loan word. Loan word is your answer, and looky here, looky pie, a savage question.
Which of these products was originally developed for surgical use? Listerine, Bengay,
It's Listerine. It's Listerine. Listerine. Yes.
Which
Mora.
woman's
I've
name
seen
is
it
a
in the
classification
movie.
system for
Mora.
moths?
100% sure it's
Emma,
Mona.
or Mona?
It's Mona.
I'm gonna go with Mona. I'm gonna go with Mona.
It was a bad one.
Yes.
Which of these musicians once featured in a movie based on Blue's Clues? Ray Charles, Paul Simon, or Ricky Martin?
Okay. Okay.
Hi out there, it's me. 2,562 players vying for $2,500. Q12. Which of these commercial mascots was originally drawn by a teenage boy? Mr. Peanut, Charlie the
I remember
Have
because
you
I
seen
used
the
to love
curves
that.
on Mr. Peanut?
I
It's
know
me, a
that's
boy
her
with
Charlie
blue
Tuna.
eyes.
Charlie
I'm sure
Tuna.
it's Mr.
Charlie
Peanut.
Tuna.
Oh my gosh.
100%.
I'm
It's
sure
Tony
it's
the
Mr.
Tiger.
Peanut.
It's Mr. Peanut for the win.
Tiger.
Yes! It was Mr. Peanut. How much did we win?
All right, how much money did we win? Big money, big money.
How much?
How much? Big money.
$1.98.
$1.98.
Taco Bell.